ways to do that is through awesome nutrition that is good for the body, that has clean ingredients, anti-inflammatory, whole, real foods that come from the earth. We want you to stay away from processed foods as much as possible and really fuel your system with nutrient-dense foods. We have an easy Eat for Vitality chart that helps you through that concept. And if you want to take it a step further, we provide specific nutritional recommendations based on your HRV score. So if you take your HRV score first thing every morning and you get a push day, we're going to recommend more performance foods. If you get a maintain day, we recommend foods that help balance out the body. And if you get a recovery day, we're going to recommend foods that support your system and aid in that recovery. And we also give optional recipes to help teach you how to incorporate these foods into your diet very effectively and super simple. So I hope you enjoy, and let us know if you have any questions.